Lately, I've been lying to myself. No, I need to get some help. Hoping you could save me, baby. Put our pictures on the shelf. Swore I'm over you, oh well. It's not that easy. Waking up in this place all alone. Staying up night and day on the phone. I need me to be whole again.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I posted a video, probably about a week now, but this weekend was crazy busy, but I did a little vlog that's coming soon, and I had to record 2 sets for PR, so yeah. First I wanted to start off with this package though from Madam Glam because I was not expecting a package at all. I was like, wow, all right, like I could not wait to open this, so it was very, very kind of them to do this, and when I did open it up, I absolutely love the colors, you guys. I wasn't quite sure what to expect, but I did go ahead and they did send me some gel polishes, and the colors that they sent me were perfect. Like, I'm not a huge fan of pink, but this shade of pink is really pretty. It's called Frida. And then purple is my favorite color, and the name of the purple is November Rain, and my birthday is in November. And it's also a very gorgeous holographic polish that you'll see here in a second. But, and then Frida, I actually really like this color just because I like the name. But there's also a design that I've been wanting to do. It's actually inspo from a Barbie outfit. And then is really, really cute. And so that would be perfect for that. And like I mentioned, this November Rain, purple is my favorite color, and it's holographic, and you just cannot go wrong with that. I was going to do this unboxing as its own video, but then once I started receiving packages from Amazon and one from Temu, I was like, I might as well just throw it all together. But like I mentioned, thank you one more time to Madam Glam for sending these to me. It was truly, truly a great surprise. And I will show you guys what these colors look like in the flash, but here's me just swatching them really quick, and they're just so pretty. They're so pretty. I just love, I love their polishes and their formula, and I love that they sent these to me, so I'll be right back.
Thought you were the piece missing from left. You're not the one, no, no. You're not the one, no, no, no. I'm moving on, admitting we're done. That's what you got me thinking lately.
So up next is my order from Amazon, and I have been waiting a really long time to order these things. I usually just don't have like the spare change, you guys. I cannot believe how much groceries cost lately. I don't even want to talk about it. It just makes me want to cry. Like, I don't know how I'm going to feed my kids without starting to eat SpaghettiOs and ramen. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, I don't want to spend all my money on groceries, and that's literally what I'm doing. Oh, anyway, but every once in a while, I will treat myself to some things, and these glass jars, I have been wanting these forever now, like literally forever. Excuse me, they're very sturdy, and I really like how they have the metal piece inside as well. So these are my old little push top dispensers that I use for my alcohol and my acetone, and look how bowed out my acetone bottle is. Like, it's literally a completely different shape at this point. Like, whatever gas the acetone produces, it just like made it bubble out, and I do not like that. Plus, if acetone does get on the outside of the bottle, it discolors it, and the whole entire bottom on the inside was discolored. And I don't like that aesthetic. It was not looking good. So I was like, yeah, it's time for a glass one. I was going to put my alcohol in there, but changed my mind. Well, I got 2 of them, but I still wanted to use my purple alcohol one because I really like that one. But anyway, the next item I got was this stamping kit. I have been wanting to try stamping for a really long time, and Halloween is coming up, so I thought it would be fun to try it for Halloween. I have tried this out, and I thought I actually did an unboxing of the Born Pretty stamping polish that I bought from Amazon as well, and apparently I lost that footage, but maybe we'll go through that again when I get ready to do my actual set. But I just thought these were so cute. What made me choose these ones were the fact like of some of the things that they said, like boo sheets or something like that. And just little funny things that are like little puns, and oh yeah, holy sheet, and more booze please, and they were just so cute. Like I just could not pass them up, and that little dancing skeleton was amazing. The next item I got was actually for my daughter because she loves almond tips. These do not fit my fingers at all. I would not recommend them for adults, to be honest, unless you have extremely small or extremely short nail beds. Yes, maybe. Because for my nail beds, I feel like my nail beds are pretty normal, but these still cut into the sides of my natural nails like the shape does, and they don't fit me at all. They're just like not long enough for my nail bed, so keep that in mind. But they're still really nice. They're good quality, and they're like the half matte. This is my Temu haul, and literally the only thing I got off of Temu was stickers. These are stickers that I put in my press-on kits at the moment because it's Halloween. I thought these were just so cute. Like this second one is like the ghost like flipping everybody off. I thought that was so funny. But then there are some really, really cute ones, like ones that say like you're my boo and things like that. So I just thought these were super cute. Next were some stickers that I didn't even honestly know that I ordered, to be really honest, or I didn't realize I had them checked, even though I've been wanting to order them because I really wanted to order like Halloween stuff and ramp up for that, but they were still really, really cute, like these little chocolate drop ones, and then I got the sprinkle ones of these, and I thought those were really cute. They're like the 5D stickers that are a little raised up, and then yeah, like I'm just showing you the difference between like the vanilla and chocolate ones. It's just so cute. And then I got these Valentine's Day stickers. Like when they say these things are 44 cents, I am not passing these up. Like, how are you going to pass up 44 cents for a sheet of stickers? Like I'm just not doing it. So I had to pick these up. I love, and I just love the hearts. And then I thought these abstract shapes were really cute as well. I keep seeing them everywhere, and sometimes you just don't want to paint them, you know, you just don't want to do the nail art, and that is okay. And sometimes maybe you feel like you can't do the nail art, and that's okay too. Like just use stickers. Like I feel like if they're going to make nail stickers and the product is available to use, then use it, go for it. And sometimes with stickers, it's honestly the sticker placement that matters, right? I'm horrible with that and where to put the stickers and how I want to do it. So yeah, I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. We are almost to the end. So I want to thank you all so much for being the best part of my channel. And thank you to all of my new subscribers. I do mention that in my little vlog video coming up, but I just absolutely love you guys so much. Like I cannot believe it's just so surreal, even if you're not going for a subscriber count and things like that. It's just so crazy. But and these were definitely, some of these were giving Venom or Joker vibes. I thought these were really neat. So yeah, everything will be linked down below in the description box, and I will see you in my next video.
Been trying to fix the mess, get myself up out of bed, but I'm feeling empty. Maybe I need to try something else, get you out of my head. You can't save me. Waking up in the this place all alone, staying up night and day on the phone. You're not the one, no, no. You're not the one, no, no, no. I'm moving on and fading quicker. That's what you got me thinking lately. It's been harder for me now. 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 But I'll get through it somehow. 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 You're not the one. No, no. You're not the one.